Good morning, everyone. I'm Sandhya, Assistant Professor. So, I'm very glad to share my knowledge, French language, to all my colleagues and friends who are all interested to learn this language. So, first of all, please subscribe and share my French language CTTE. It's a new YouTube channel, so you'll be receiving latest updates as a notification. So first of all, let's discuss about the French is nothing but similar to the English language. So as we all learn, the language starts with the basic alphabets A to Z. So everyone knows A, B, C, D. Similar in French language, A to Z, but the pronunciation alone differs. So here we learn the language starts with alphabets. So we call it as alphabet. Le alphabet is nothing but the alphabets. So starts with the letter A. The letter A corresponds A in French. Similar, when we learn a language, no one knows what it pronounced to be. Or this its script is A. The letter is being here, but we doesn't know what is being pronounced. So when a teacher pronounced as this letter is pronounced as A in English, similar in French it's A. Letter B pronounced as Bay. Bay. So A pronounced A. So when we pronounce a letter, the writing will be a normal A to Z, A, B, C, D. The pronunciation alone, you can make a note in your own pronunciation. So as I pronounce, you can make a note it in your pronunciation. So it's easy for you all to learn it. So A pronounced A, B, say, day. So days of the week. So day. So a pronounced as eraser. We say a pen. We say a pen. You so a pen. We say pronounced as a pen, a pen, a pencil. That pronunciation a. F. You have to give a stress to their F. Then this G, letter G, pronounced in French as J. It's not G, is always pronounced as J. Okay, the alphabet is J. You can make a note as J in your own language. G always pronounced as J. H pronounced as hush. Hush. The pronunciation will be ash. I, E. E. In English, we write E, the letter E. Similar, you can pronounce it as E. Then the next letter will be J. Is similar, will be writing in French, is pronunciation will be G. Here, G is pronounced on top as J, and when J comes, it's pronounced as G. This letter there will be a variation where G will be comes to J, and here this J comes to be a G. So J is pronounced G. K pronounced as Ka. Ka. K pronounced as Ka. Then L. L pronounced L. We pronounce in English as L. Normally we pronounce as L. That's all. L. But in French is L. L. That thing has to be come under your tongue as L. Just like leave it off, it is pronounced as L. Then yam, you normally say yam in English, but in French it says yam. M, M, they pronounce L. Yam. Then which is N is pronounced as N. And O is pronounced as O. Same pronounce. O is O. Only this L, M, N is normal, same L, M, N. This is L, M, N. Just give a stress over there. L, M, N, same. O is same. P will be pay. Paying some gift, paying some cash. That P-A-Y, pay, we say, no, pay. P pronounced as pay. Q is Q. Q is Q. There is long Q. Q. R will be R. Q is Q, normal. R is R. Eraser, you say, no, eraser, air. R is air. There is a slang over air. So air, A-I-R, air. You say, no, air is coming, air. A-I-R, that pronounced as air. S is yes. Yes, yes only. And T pronounced as te. T is you see, here we say T, but in French we say te. Te, te. T pronounced as te. U is U. U pronounced as U. V is ve. V pronounced as ve. W, we say, no, W. Here it pronounced double way. We hear English, we say W, and in French we say double way. So it's pronounced as here, we say W, and here is double way. Double way. X, say, no, X. X pronounced as X. Y. Why you do this? Why? Question, why? So it's in English, but here we say Y. French, it pronounced as Y is nothing but Y. And Z, we say, no, Z. This is Z. Here it's pronounced as Z. Z, we say Z. E, Z, Z. That stress, that phonetic, the words, the pronunciation. Here it comes Z. Okay. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So this is the alphabet in French. So normally there will be this little more stylish. There is style, which means the French language is so romantic. It's like a rhythm of music. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So this is what the pronunciation of alphabet. So that's for all for today. So next I'll be uploading something else for you all to learn a language. Mess, which means thank you.